Hello everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex, and today's word is basically a B2 level adverb meaning in a simple way. Basically is used to simplify a point or to say something is true in general terms. For example, you might say the movie is basically a romantic comedy. Some synonyms for basically are essentially, fundamentally, and primarily. You could say the problem is essentially a communication issue, or the project was primarily focused on marketing, or the new policy is fundamentally changing the way we work. Now, thinking about antonyms, words that are opposite to basically include specifically, precisely, and exactly. So instead of saying, she basically agreed, you could say, she specifically stated her conditions. Or instead of, the instructions were basically clear, you could say, the instructions were precisely worded, or he described exactly what happened. In everyday conversations, you might say, we are basically finished with the work, or I basically understand what you mean. Some example sentences are, the instructions are basically clear, or she is basically happy with the results, or the restaurant is basically open until 9 p.m., or it's basically the same recipe, but with a different topping. So, to sum it up, basically is an adverb that means in a simple way and helps to generalize or simplify ideas. Remember the synonyms essentially, fundamentally, and primarily, and the antonyms specifically, precisely, and exactly. Thank you for joining me today. If you're enjoying Hello Word, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And don't forget to create your own sentence using basically and share it in the comments below the video.